yourself in this endless flow. Feel the magic, let it grow.